Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare pants for hemming. Hemming the pants with a blind stitch and with a straight stitch are prepared the same way. First, have the person try on the pants and tuck the excess material inside and pin it to where they're comfortable wearing the pants. So usually I like to, for pants, make it go right below the heel, almost touching the ground but not exactly touching the ground. Okay, so you pin that and tuck the excess material inside. And then first we're going to just press lightly just to make a crease where we've pinned it. Just on both legs, we'll just press it just to crease it. Use a steam iron, it works best. And then turn the pants inside out, being careful not to pull your pin. Well, I guess you can pull your pins out at this point because you've creased it, you've marked it. Okay. All right, now you see these pants need to be hemmed quite a bit. And we have too much material here for what we want. So we're going to cut off what we don't want. First I'm going to remove the pins because we've already marked it. I'll remove those pins. And then I'm going to cut off the excess fabric, anything more than 1.5 inches. And just cut that all the way around, making sure that you do not cut anything but the excess. You want to make sure your scissors don't go through to the other side. And just cut off that excess fabric. And it's about 1.5 inches.